CJ Dropshipping Shopify tutorial. How to use CJ Dropshipping with Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with your own dropshipping business using CJ Dropshipping with Shopify. So let's get into it. Now, CJ Dropshipping is a platform that enables you to find low-priced and good quality items that you can start your business with for dropshipping. And what this platform basically enables you to do is that you can source your products, you can contact manufacturers, you can list them directly onto your e-commerce platform. And what Shopify does for you is to build your own professional and customized platform for you to be able to sell your product. So using both of these platforms together can really optimize your business and make it a smooth and simple experience to get started with creating your own dropshipping business. So let's get into how you can create a CJ Dropshipping and Shopify based dropshipping business. So you don't have to pay for anything if you just simply head on over to CJ Dropshipping. You can click on register on the top right over here. Once you click on register, you will be headed on to their registration form. It's a very simple form. It's very basic. All you have to do is enter your email address, password, and a confirmation password. If you already have an account, you can choose to sign in. It's a simple registration step. Once you have created your account, you can just sign in with your email and password, or you can even link your WhatsApp, Facebook, Google, Apple, or Shopify ID directly with your CJ Dropshipping account. So you can use any of your previous accounts to create your CJ Dropshipping account, and I'm simply just going to continue on with my Google account to get into CJ Dropshipping. Now, once you have done that, you will be able to see on your top right, you have your profile, you have your wallet, tools, account, affiliates, and your logout. Then you can click on My CJ over here. And this will lead you to the actual CJ dropshipping platform that you have for your own. So all of the products that you are selling on your storefront, all of those things can be managed from this specific section of your CJ dropshipping dashboard. So I'm just going to wait a little for this to be loaded. So I'm just going to open that up and I'll show you guys the rest of CJ Dropshipping. Now, after that, you also have a tab called Sourcing, Print on Demand, Warehouses, and Authorization. So first off, you can see that if you want to search for any kind of product, you can find a lot of different categories. There are a bunch of different products. And when you scroll down, you will even be able to see a little section, a bar up here on the right side of your screen. And you can see trending products, you can see new products. So if I click on trending products, it will show me the trending ones, new ones, so on and so forth. And you can find any kind of product from here as well. So let's say that you want to begin adding products to your Shopify store. How can you do that? Can you customize those products? Well, it's a very simple and easy way to do that. All you have to do is you're going to go into My CJ, and that is the section that you're going to be using. So this is your section where it is your dashboard. So this is your My CJ section. And over here on the left, you will be able to see a little navigation panel. From here, you can click on sourcing. And if you want to customize a product, you can find a very customized product over here. And below that, you can click on your orders. So over here, you can click on imported orders and you can import your Shopify orders. But you might be thinking, hey, how do I link my Shopify store to CJ Dropshipping? I don't know how to do that. Well, it's rather simple and rather easy. I will show you guys exactly how to do that. So what you can see over here is that in the different sections, so it's just taking a little longer to load up on my screen over here. So you can see over here in these sections, you have store authorization. And from here, you can connect to any different kind of store. So you have multiple different store options. And not only can you connect to Shopify, but you can connect to other stores as well. But we are going to be taking the example of Shopify because it is one of the most widely used store builders. So you're simply just going to click on Shopify over here. So I'm just going to click on Shopify. And once you click on Shopify, it will show you authorize your store to activate your one-click policy and product listing. So from here, you will simply click on Add Store and you will click on Authorize. And this will lead you to the Shopify App Store where you can add your CJ Dropshipping. So you're going to click on Add App and it will ask you to log in. So I will log into my Shopify store account over here. And for Shopify, you can register on Shopify with your email address and get a 3-day free trial as well, just if you want to check out Shopify. So once you do that, you will need to just click on install application. And once you do that, it will just have a verification code. So you can see we're going to click on over here. This is the account I want to use. Click on sign in. So this is the CJ Dropshipping account that I want to link to my Shopify. And I have done that. So once all of that has been added, now if I go into the My CJ section over here and I go into store authorization, I can click on Shopify. And I'm just hoping that my Shopify is linked. So you can see over here in my online store, in my Shopify store now, I have CJ Dropshipping added as a application. I can click on Open App from Shopify, and I will authorize this now. And I will use my Chrome sign in from here. And from here, I'm just going to close up Shopify in all other tabs. And I'm just going to click on over here, click on applications, click on CJ Dropshipping, and just making sure that both of your accounts are authorized. So you can see you have both of your accounts listed over here. You want to verify those. So you can click on authorize now. And it might take a little while for your accounts to synchronize together. Usually it does just seamlessly integrate, but if you have multiple different accounts, maybe if you have linked these with a previous Shopify store, it might be slightly more difficult for you to be able to link it to this Shopify store, but that is how simple and easy it is. You can even just go into Shopify directly, click on apps over here, click on CJ Dropshipping, so you can click on apps and you can click on recommended apps, and from here you can search for CJ Dropshipping and download that, and you can click on another account from here. So I'm just making sure that the sync happens seamlessly because I don't want any issues later on. So I can also click on custom app authorization. So if you're not able to do direct authorization from ad store, so what all you have to do is you can click on custom app authorization and you can just go into your Shopify store name. I can click on my stores over here. And you can see I haven't created a store. I'm pretty sure that is why it is having a bunch of different errors right now, but I'm just going to copy the name of the store from here and you can enter that. And you can go into your settings and you can go into your store settings and find the access code. So if you don't know how to find the access code, you can simply go on ahead and just click on your application API. So I can click on apps and then I can click on CJ Dropshipping. And I'm just going to delete the application from my Shopify store. And then I will re-add CJ Dropshipping into this because I am facing a little bit of lag. So I can click on install over here. And I'm just going to wait for this to be loaded up and I can reinstall the application if it's not working for you. Other than that, you can also enter an API key. Now, once you have integrated your Shopify and CJ Dropshipping store, you can just head on over to CJ Dropshipping. And once this is integrated, all you have to do is you have two basic things. So first off, you have this little queue. And in your queue section, you will be able to queue up a bunch of different products. So whatever product you find on CJ Dropshipping that you think is okay, you can enter it into your queue. From your queue, you can click on listed. So from here, you can customize this listing. You can open this listing up and you can click on list now. And all you have to do is you can change the title, you can change and customize it however you want. So you can see these are the variations sold by the original seller. Let's say I only want to sell it maybe in 2 different colors. I will just select those 2, and let's say instead of $3.22, which would be their wholesale price, I want to sell these for $20, or let's say I want to sell it for $17. So I will just enter the new price and I can click on edit before listing, and I can edit the overall title, the description, and then list it on my Shopify store directly from CJ Dropshipping. So that is how simple and easy it is to get started with CJ Dropshipping with Shopify as well. Even if you're starting in 2023, this is going to be a seamless way for you to be able to generate some passive income. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.